It takes a lot of time and discipline to become money smart. It doesn't happen overnight. Some people go through life never saving and living paycheck to paycheck. Learn how to be able to handle your money at an early age may not seem sexy, but it will certainly put you down at the right path. But if you think that you have enough time to become serious about your finances, then you may want to think again, because you may feel like you are young and invincible even when you hit your 30s. But the scary truth is you are halfway to retirement. Now it is time to put the financial foolhardiness of your 20s behind you and become more frugal with your cash by mastering these top financial habits. So if you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel in order not to miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get into the video. Actually stick to a budget. Most 20-somethings have played around with the idea of a budget, have used budgeting apps, and have even watched a video or two about the importance of creating a budget. However, very few individuals actually stick to that budget, or any at all. Once you are 30, it is time to ditch that wishy-washy process of budgeting and start allocating where every dollar you earn goes. This means if you only want to spend $15 a week on a coffee runs, you have to cut yourself off after your third last for the week. The overall point of budgeting is to know where your money goes in order to make sound decisions. Keep in mind that $1 here, $1 there adds up over time. It is fine to spend money on shopping or fun trips as long as these purchases fit into your budget and don't detract you from your savings goal. Knowing your spending habit will help you to discover how you can cut expenses and how you can save more money in a retirement fund or money market account. Okay, here is a complimentary tip to setting up and sticking to a budget. Document all your spending. Make sure you write down where and how much you spend and what that does to your budget. This may require you to keep your receipt and cross-check everything to your checking account. Over time, you will end up doing away with the frivolous spend to the moment purchases and really be able to keep in line with your budget. Stop spending your whole paycheck. The wealthiest individuals in the world didn't get where they are today by spending their entire paycheck every month. In fact, many self-made millionaires spend their income modestly. According to Thomas J. Stanley's book, The Millionaire Next Door, Stanley's book found that the majority of self-made millionaires drove used cars and live in an average price housing. He also found out that those who drove expensive cars and wore more expensive clothing were actually drowning in debt. The reality was that their pricey lifestyle could not keep up with their paycheck. Start by living off of 90% of your income and save the other 10%. Having the money automatically deducted from your paycheck and put into a retirement savings account and ensure you will not miss it. Gradually increase the amount you save, fall decreases the amount you live by. Ideally, learn to live off of 60% to 80% of your paycheck while saving and investing the remaining 20 to 40%. Get real about your financial goals. What are your financial goals? Really sit down and think about them. Envision by which age and how you would like to achieve them. Write them down and figure out how to make them a reality. You are less likely to achieve any goal if you don't write it down and create a concrete plan. For example, if you want a vacation in Italy, then stop daydreaming about it and make a game plan. Do your research to discover how much the vacation will cost you. Then calculate how much money you will have to save per month. Your dream vacation can be to get the smaller the pay